Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get Yama, one of the legendary swords. So you're going to be needing to be in third tier. You need to be going to the Spellcat and get the quest. So when you get the quest, you're going to be going to one of the locations that the Popcat will be saying, and you want to be killing the Diablo and the other ones. So when you kill one of the Diablo or the other ones, you're gonna go back to mansion, and if you go here, if you go again to the Popcat and talk to the Popcat and click progress, you are gonna be having one elite enemy defeated. So when you reach 30 elite enemies defeated, and I think if you reach 5 enemies, elite enemies defeated, talk to this guy and get the reward. And I think the reward is this helmet that gives more speed. And if you kill the elite enemies, you can have this cape, the red cape, the green cape, and the black cape. And you also can get the green bandana. There is right here. I cannot be showing because my avatar has already a bandana. The red bandana and the black bandana. So that's the things that you can get from the elite hunters. So now you're gonna go to Hydra, where we can get to Sheeta. Now we just go here, activate Haki, just go there. Let's go there fast. If I should make more Blox reads, tutorials and showcases and other things, just let me know in the comments. Okay, when you reach the Yama part, you are gonna be needing to kill the 5 ghosts to not be just like a serpent, to not be like I don't know how to say it. To not yeah. So when you defeat all the 5 ghosts, you come in Yama, that's right here, and it's gonna be appearing a talking. But remember, you need 30 and elite enemies defeated to get. If you don't have 30, how can I show you? Like 30, you are gonna die. So good luck having. Wait, let me just get there. I cannot say the words correctly, but you need a certain value to Yama. You're gonna need the same kills that I do have, but -2. You're gonna be needing 30 elite enemies defeated to get Yama. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe the video. Bye guys.